Today I'm going to do a review on the scale that I have bought off of Amazon. Digital kitchen scale. That's it. So it comes in this cute little box. Oh, that's how it opens. That's so cool. Sorry, I just realized my light wasn't on. Here's the instruction manual. And what is this? Comes with charging instructions, a few different languages. Ooh, look at this nice, sleek scale. All right, let's see. So it came with batteries and also comes with a little charging port. Tells you how to store this also. Store it in a dry environment, which makes a lot of sense. So let's try this. Put the batteries in. 3 AAA batteries, which it came with. Oh, look, and it's on. See it working. Okay, so you hold the button to turn it off, and it's on. Let's see, is that showing up on there? It's because I'm picking it up. Okay, it has in different units, so let's get a little closer here. So you can have this in pounds. TL. Why come I don't know what TL is? Kilograms, milliliters, liquid, milliliters, grams, ounces. This is great that you can turn into different ones. Okay, so grams, for instance. Let's say we're on a diet. We're on our keto diet. And let's say you want to eat some nuts. Usually on the back of the packages, they'll tell you serving size is 1 ounce, which is also 28 grams. So if you wanted to do weighing out everything that you eat, this scale would be great because you can weigh in ounces and grams. So you put your empty container on, you hit the tare so you could cancel out and start it back at 0. So right now the scale is at 0. Let's see, is that so? 0? Cool beans. All right, so I have it in grams. So we want to eat our exact 28 grams of nuts. 27.3, 28, oh, 28.2. So that's if you want to exact on the dot. You can break little pieces off to get it to the number that you want. 28 on the dot, exactly 1 serving of nuts. So you could do it that way. You can pre-measure all your snacks if you're going to diet, put them into containers. If you're cooking, you can put on whatever unit you need it in. And you can use it for cooking. I make soap, so I will definitely use this for making soap because I need the exact weight and measurements. So this is perfect for everything. Also, let's say you want to eat an apple. You know, apples are all different weights. So I know you can go on Google, you can Google nutrition facts for an apple, and then you can put in how much it weighs. Bam, In grams, you have how much it weighs. If it's in a different unit, you can just hit it and it'll change it. Now it's in ounces. Now it's in pounds. Of course, that's 0.3 of a pound, but you get the point. You get some kilograms, milliliters, whatever you need it in. It's all right here at your fingertips. And the first time using this is pretty cool. So one thing I want to see is this charging port. You just hold the button to turn it off. See, it's off now. Where's the charging port on this? Oh, okay, I found it. Right here on the side. So that's where we would charge it. With a USB. So it fits right here. You can charge it, plugging it in. So that's cool. Make sure you read your instructions. Charge it every 45 to 60 days to avoid damage to the internal lithium battery. Okay? So does this mean it could work without the battery? I'm curious. So if there's an internal lithium battery in here, I'm just checking. So if I take these batteries out, can I get it to work? Oh shoot, it does. Look at that. I took the batteries out and it still works. Oh, that's cool. Then you know, I won't even use these batteries then. I thought the charger was to charge these batteries, but it has its own built-in battery inside, and these are just a bonus. So let's say you're cooking something, or you're using a scale, you're weighing out your ingredients, and you forgot to charge it, and it goes out, you don't have time to put on the charger and wait, you could just pop these bad boys in there and have it working. That is awesome. That is amazing. Well, I'm excited about the scale. So fancy, sleek and smooth. It's not heavy, it's very light, and it's thin, and it can fit anywhere. And it's appealing, it's so pretty. Well, I hope you like my review. I hope you like my review on this kitchen scale by Allkeys. And this is gonna get plenty of usage. I will use it a lot here. So stop pushing the buttons. But there it is. Thank you so much for watching.